The sun is out. The sunflower is shining. The day is looking great. It can only mean one thing. Yes, it's allotment 25. Welcome everyone. Last time I was here, I left the tomatoes and cucumbers behind. Not today. Let's get some tomatoes and cucumbers. Look at these red jewels. They look gorgeous, don't they? So ready to be eaten. The cherry tomatoes are looking good. And there was still one beef tomato. Let's see what it looks like. There it is. It's getting there. But these tomatoes, they've already got there. So yep, let's take these off and take them home. You know the drill already. It's not easy harvesting these tomatoes and recording at the same time. So leave me to it. Let me harvest these and I'll come back to you with the end result. The jewel heist is over. Look at these beautiful red tomatoes. Gorgeous. So many as well. Look how high the stack is. And next to them, we got these beautiful cherry tomatoes as well. I didn't realize I had so much left. And to be honest with you, even though I've got all of these today, I've still left a lot on the plants. So I guess I'll be there for another time. For now, let's just admire the beauty of what we have here. At the start, I did say today was all about tomatoes and cucumbers. So let's go and grab the cucumbers. But before I do, let me just quickly show you this. I thought they were done, but clearly not. Look, I've got another courgette here, which is possibly turning into a marrow. So let me just grab this one. Oh my God, look at the size of that thing. And it weighs a ton. Okay, here we are. Another twist maybe. There we go. Look at the size of that, guys. Hopefully that, well, maybe not hopefully, but I think that was the last one on this plant. And I don't really see any more little ones growing, so I think that might be the end of it. And then on the second plant, look, I've got another one. And I think this is also ready to come out. One twist, two twists, and it's free. Look at that. Nothing else left here. I think that is probably dead. Yeah, that's gone. So I believe courgettes are done and dusted. Well, technically I have said that once before. And look what happened. So let me just put these courgettes down here. And now guys, I'm definitely going to get some cucumbers. I'll see you in a second. These cucumbers are looking great. Ready to be eaten. We got more over here. I don't know if you remember last time I was here, I was telling you about a viewer that reached out via my sister. She wanted me to harvest some of the seeds from these cucumbers. So that's exactly what I'm going to do. So I've decided these cucumbers at the top, I'm going to leave them alone. I'm going to let them just grow. I think the plan is that they need to turn yellow. Once they're yellow and they're sort of hard, that means they're not edible anymore. But the seeds inside, they're perfect for harvesting for next year. So that's what I'm going to do. But for now, I'll just take these ones off at the bottom. There's quite a few. Right, let's start, shall we? Let's get rid of some of these vines. Or leaves, maybe I should call them. Now you can see them properly. So I'm just going to snip them and allow them to just drop. Should be fine. Let's just put them out here. Look at that. Lovely. So many here. Another one there. How many have I got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 already. That's 5 from one plant. Oh look, there's another one here at the bottom. Let's grab that. Oh look, can you see that one, guys? It's a bit of a dodgy shape, but that doesn't matter. Let me get rid of that leaf. Let me see if I can get to it from here. Should be able to. Yeah, there we go. There it is. Like I said, it's a bit of a dodgy shape, but I'm sure it's going to be just as tasty to eat. This is the second cucumber plant. These ones are not very big, but I think they are ready for harvest, so I am just going to take them. There's a few on here. There's one right at the bottom, that looks fairly big. Yeah, let's have that. Got to be careful with these leaves, they're quite prickly. Can be fairly uncomfortable. Let's get rid of those. Let me grab that one there. Just put them out here so you can see them all. Just rolling away. There we go. One more here. Any more? Ah, yes, of course, plenty. There we go. One more up there. Oops. And this one is just hiding behind the trellis. Wonder if I can get to it. Yep, of course I can, it's dropped. There it is. Look at that, lovely. And lastly, this is the third plant. This is the most successful plant. It's literally gone from the bottom right to the top there. And those are the ones that I'm going to leave. I'm going to allow them to mature, turn yellow. I'm going to harvest the seeds, and then I'm going to give them to my viewer that reached out through my sister. Once again, thank you for reaching out. Look at the size of this cucumber. Wow. That is proper shop quality. I've got 2 piles of cucumbers over there. Not bad for a day's harvest. That's me done for another day. Taking all these goodness with me. Tomatoes and cucumbers. Added bonus, a couple of courgettes, stroke marrow. Blessings. As always, thank you so much for joining me here at Allotment 25. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you. Please continue to show me your support with a like, share and subscribe. Let's continue to grow this together. Until next time, guys, take care, look after yourself. All the best. Bye-bye.